Today we're going to review these wheel dollies from Harbor Freight. Stick around. Welcome back to the channel, Garage 3030. I'm Michael, and I'm going to go through these Daytona Carjacks. This came from Harbor Freight. I actually bought 4 of these. I needed these so I could jack up the car, move it around the shop a little bit easier. It's a lot similar to what Go Jacks are, but at quite a bit less money. I bought the whole kit from Harbor Freight for $400. That was the stand and 4 dollies. At first I kind of went back and forth, but they had a sale on them, so I couldn't pass that up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox them for now, kind of show you what they look like. They're really easy to assemble. We're gonna put the stand together and then try them out on the car and see how that turns out. This is gonna be kind of a quick video, but I want to take you guys along for this. I think it's a pretty cool system, and hopefully it works out well. I'm not sponsored for this. I'm doing this on my own accord. So if it doesn't work, I'm gonna tell you it doesn't work. So let's get to unboxing these. All right, we are going to start unboxing this. I actually did one just a few seconds ago just to see how it all came together. So let's take a look at this. There's not a lot that goes into this. Actually, you just bolt on 4 wheels. So it's gonna be fairly simple. They give you instructions, but who reads instructions? You got your four wheels here. And then let me get this out of the box. This is how it comes. 4 dollies. I actually put the ones with the stops on the front side of it, kept them all the same, but they go together really simply. So we're going to put these together real quick, and we've got 4 of them. So we'll do that kind of off camera, and we'll be right back to see what the stand is all about, and then we'll give them a test. Okay, that is the stand. I'm not going to put all 4 of them up on there, but it gives you a way to stack them, put them in the corner, use them when you need to. So far things are working out good. We're going to put them underneath the car, jack it up, and do a quick walk around, and then we'll kind of wrap this video up. Alrighty, let's try this thing out and see how easy it moves. I'll tell you, these brakes on this car were frozen, and it was really hard to get this thing around the shop, so looks like it's working fairly well. So to put this on the ground, you've got a latch here that you flip, that puts it in reverse. At that point, it's just a matter of dropping it down. Slides out from underneath the car. Put it back down, and you've got a latch here for the handle. And then you can put it on your stand. The Daytona Carjack system, I think it's great. Worked out well. The car moved around easily. It's not terribly expensive for what I think I can use it for. So I give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you taking the time to watch and tuning into Garage 3030. We have more content coming up. Check out our previous videos. You can watch them up here, and we'll talk to you next time.